This question from Semester 2. Chapter 8 requires candidates to understand the roles of carbonic anhydrase and predict what happens when this enzyme concentration decrease. The correct answer is B, because a reduced concentration of carbonic anhydrase directly impairs the production of hydrogen ions required to trigger the release of oxygen at respiring tissues. In a normal scenario, carbonic anhydrase catalyzes the reaction between carbon dioxide and water to form carbonic acid, which then dissociates into bicarbonate ions and hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions bind to oxyhemoglobin, reducing its affinity for oxygen, a phenomenon known as the Bohr effect, and forcing the oxygen to be released into the tissues. If carbonic anhydrase levels are low, fewer hydrogen ions are produced, meaning the oxyhemoglobin remains more stable and less oxygen is dissociated and made available to the cells. For option A, carbaminohemoglobin forms when carbon dioxide binds directly to the globin chains of hemoglobin, a process that does not rely on carbonic anhydrase. Therefore, its concentration would not necessarily decrease. For option C, reduction in carbonic anhydrase would lead to fewer hydrogen ions being formed from carbon dioxide and water. Since fewer hydrogen ions mean a less acidic environment, the blood pH would actually become more alkaline rather than be lowered. For option D, carbonic anhydrase is an enzyme that speeds up the reaction. A reduced concentration of this enzyme would decrease the rate of carbonic acid dissociation, not increase it.